Hi, good morning. Today we're at the newly named Toba Na'Ture, which looks like nature, but it's actually Batak for well prepared. Na'Ture Resort, Toba Na'Ture Resort. And Roy and I are doing some consultation work and planning on moving an English course to some unused buildings at this resort. Anyway, it's a beautiful resort. And a lot of people don't know about it because it hasn't been marketed as a resort. Yes, it has its own premium rooms here. It has 2 hostel type dormitories. It has hot water. In these rooms, they have their own private bathrooms. Here, they're saving some energy here, but they have their own bathroom with running water. Nice, of course, running water, I hope. And a Western style toilet. Here's a shower with hot water, and it's duplicated here. So I won't bore you with that. Anyway, it's fairly peaceful. You can hear a little traffic, and there are neighbors, but you can hear the birds, and it's really nice. Anyway, let's take a look in our dorm room where we've been working from. Welcome to our abode. Roy's dad's staying with us as well. Anyway, here's my bed, and I've stolen 3 extra pillows, and kind of nice. Simple but nice. Anyway, we're gonna go take a look at the rest of the place. So I'm gonna turn these off, take the key, and we're gonna get my shoes on. There's no shoes or regular shoes beyond these steps. So I need to get my phone. No, I've got my phone. I'm holding it. It's not in my pocket though. Okay. Hello, Roy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
Good. We're just doing a little tour of this place
Oh, nice.
as we go ahead to work.
This is nice place here.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
I see you got the computer out. See what he's working on. Oh no, nothing. Black screen. Anyway, it looks nice. You got a nice little office here.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, let's go up. Look at all these beautiful plants. That's one of their expertise is organic gardening. And they make all sorts of kind of like probiotic bacteria cultures that promote plant health and fertilizer and whatnot. Anyway, here's the spa. Little, looks like bar type thing. Anyway, let's take a good look at this spa. I don't think anyone's here, but I guess we'll find out. This is shaped kind of like a boat, so you gotta, this whole thing is designed and named the boat. So it's got rooms below and a spa above. Looks like they have some little projects they are working on these benches. Anyway, it's got a nice boat theme with all these ropes and railings and whatnot. Very creative. We'll go on both sides here. I think one is, this might be the women's side. And as I see, there's no one here. It's kind of like a hidden treasure here because it's on the outside. Looks like a dressing room. Some sinks, very wood centered everything about wood. These are saunas, I believe, 2 saunas. So this isn't a women's side, it's just a side. And these are lockers. Okay, let's go look on the other side. It's different on the other side. Looks like they could straighten this out a little nicer. Okay. Here's a massage room, another massage room, another sink, lockers. Now this is a cool place. They got more massage, but they've got a giant tub here. I guess if I have enough time I could try using it. Anyway, nice toilet, nice bathroom, nice tub. Beautiful view. It's a creek down in the bottom here. And our English course is across the road here somewhere. But we're planning on moving it to this side. It's a better road. And yeah. Okay, we'll see in the spa. I've been doing some massage course here, teaching them some safety, massage safety and whatnot. And I'll be doing some more advanced massage techniques with them, as there's not really much. There's training here. They had Balinese training, but it's been a few years, and the little I know can be quite helpful. So, all these pretty flowers and trees, aloe vera. They're going to start selling some of this stuff. They've mostly just been growing and not selling, but we're going to start focusing on selling. Ooh, this pea flower, I forget the name of it. Can you see the little flower? Those make great tea. These are strawberries. No strawberry. Well, there's a strawberry right there, but not a lot of strawberries on them, just a few. And they use them here as much as they can use here. They use in their kitchen. They've got a regular kitchen and a pizza kitchen, and you can see it's an active kind of farm agriculture thing going on here. All sorts of these bacteria, fertilizers, whatever. Get a whole bunch of different ones. I'm not sure everything about them. This thing looks like a grape. Might be a type of grape. They do have grapes here. Good morning, Mr. Sebastian. No, it's okay. We're making YouTube video showing your beautiful place here. Yeah, we got guava here.
It smells not too good, but it's good for the planet.
Yeah. I was just saying you have all sorts of different kinds of natural fertilizers and bacteria and whatnot.
Yeah, this one like this. We make it from the leaf, but now
Oh.
if you look this one,
Yeah.
it's good now.
Very good. This is one of your passions, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do a very good job here.
Thank you, brother.
So we're just going to continue looking at everything, and we'll be back to see you later, yeah?
Oh, I have 1 hour. So I need 1 hour about.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, they have a passion about helping kids learn different skills such as agriculture and cooking and hospitality, spa, hotel. And they just use what they can, what resources they have to make people's lives better. And they're building a kind of like a dormitory thing here as well for staff, for young people to stay. Anyway, they use a lot of recycled wood, any kind of scraps they can get, and put it to good use. Anyway, here's a screen house. Looks like they have a, actually it's not a screen house, it's an old chicken coop. Anyway. See, you can even use an old bathtub for a water trough. I'm not sure if it's really a trough, but it's being used for watering the plants. Good morning. They got squash growing here, avocados. Is this moringa? I'm trying to remember. I think so. If I got my names right or not. Tomato. I think this is another avocado. Anyway, this says if you pick the fruit, you got to pay 500,000 because I guess a lot of people don't respect. This is a type of eggplant that's like a little cherry almost, but it's a little tree. Good morning, girls.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you, sir?
Good, thank you. Anyway, we're coming around. We've got this palm tree that you'd think they'd take out, but because it's being supported by the tree, there's a branch coming out under it. So I guess it's sturdy for now. But look at these beautiful plants. This one looks like it has a bird nest in it. A rat nest or something. These are types of pines, I think. Anyway, look at these beautiful trees and plants. And here's the pizza kitchen area, juice bar here. Good morning.
Good.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. So today we're going to be working on improving their pizza dough. Maybe we'll be making pizza sauce. They've got, looks like 2 ovens here. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to buy t-shirts and stuff, everything's on clearance, so you can get new stock in here. Pretty cool. Anyway, you guys should come out here and check it out. The location is, you can look for Andaliman pizza. Andaliman is something like Szechuan pepper, and it's kind of a local Batak food. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you? Good.
Sir.
I'm well, thank you. Here's a coffee shop. They might be reopening, they might not. But they use it every once in a while, but they're mostly focused on pizza and fried rice and other delicious food that they make. Here's their bathrooms up front. Anyway, so many nice things here, so many flowers. Looks like they're working on bringing some plants in the front. Oh, they got a nice parking sign. I think that's new, not sure. We'll go down here in a minute. They've got an old art gallery that's kind of shut down for now. And here's a little front kitchen to attract customers that want to-go orders. Anyway, maybe we'll take a look at this later. But we're really into art. And the doggy looks like he's not happy I'm here. Anyway. So there's Andaliman pizza there. And they put in this nice new entrance with the water fountain. Look at all these cool plants. All these flowers. Looks like a lot of leaves are falling, so they gotta clean them up a little bit. These smell real good. Oh, these flowers over here smell extremely good. I forget the name of this tree. These are amazing. Guess we'll take it this way. Look at that pretty water lily. I think they need more of them. They're quite pretty. And the other little white flowers that look like they belong there are coming from this tree. You say, oh, what kind of flowers are growing in there? Well, that water lettuce does not grow nice flowers. It's mostly greenery and little microscopic flowers. Anyway, this place is an active nursery. They grow things everywhere, but we just need to start marketing them. Anyway, they have a nice second kitchen here. I think this is their first kitchen actually originally. And they make a lot of their fried rice and other goodies here. Lights are off so it's a bit dark. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, just making video, yeah? Okay. My dog hears me again. So I have a nice little kitchen here. Cooking up some Chinese cabbage. Some ingredients here probably for fried rice, whatnot. Hello. Alright. So that's just a basic view of this place. There's a lot more in depth going on here that's pretty amazing. Look at these nice steps going down here. I think they're going to develop the land down here a little more. And most of this land is unused, so they might get permission to put some gardens and stuff down in there. But anyway, we're here trying to help with marketing and getting some more business here, and also seeing if we can move an English course here. Alright guys, there's a view of Lake Toba, kind of a little far, but I'll talk to you later. Bye.